Welcome to the Measmerize onboarding guide. In this segment, we will walk you through the process of connecting and activating your Measmerize Size Hub with your store theme. From the Customization tab of your Measmerize application, select the theme to which you want to integrate the Measmerize Size Hub. This step ensures that our sizing solution is deployed to the correct storefront environment. Once you've made your selection, click Activate. You will be automatically redirected to your Shopify theme editor with the Measmerize app pre-selected. You'll notice that the integration toggle is already set to active. To finalize the connection, simply click Save in the Shopify theme editor. This action publishes the app block to your theme. After the changes are saved successfully, you can close the current tab and return to the Measmerize app within your Shopify admin. You should now see a confirmation indicating that your Measmerize app is connected to your selected theme and displayed as active, confirming a successful integration. With your Measmerize Size Hub now connected to your theme, our next session will cover how to integrate the Size Hub with your product template page and customize it to suit your needs.